Alright, magandang hapon. Nandito na tayo sa Barcelona, kararating na natin. And sa ngayon, nakabilit po kami dito sa Alexander Hotel. Now, itong hotel namin guys, napakalayo no, sa Sagrada Familia. And if you notice, behind me is a highway. And doon naman sa malayo guys, nandoon naman yung McDonald's. So yun yung kaganda kasi may kainan saka may mga mall sa likod guys. So punta tayo sa loob at kita ko sa inyo yung room ko. Okay, let's go! So ayan, sasakay tayo ng elevator and then kita ko lang yung room ko. Ayan, so inform ko lang kayo na dito sa Spain, iba yung level nila guys, no? Inform ko lang kayo na dito sa Spain, iba yung leveling nila guys. Iba yung leveling nila. May 0, 1, 2, 3. Yan. Hindi pa kasali yung mezzanine dyan. So yung ground floor nila is 0. Hindi sila ground floor. Kasi normally sa atin, pag ground floor, ground, letter G. Pero dito sa Spain, 0 po yung nakalagay. So narating na rin natin yung room. Okay. Pasok na tayo. Pasok natin to. Yan, nag-on na yung lights guys. So dito yung CR, ito yung cabinets natin. And then yan, with a safety box. Dito naman yung ref. Kaso lang dito guys, walang tubig na kasali. Mind you, dito sa Europe, ang nangyari is malinis yung tubig nila. So you can actually drink the water in the faucet and maybe also to minimize the use of plastics here in Europe. So meron tayong LCD TV. Yeah, the luggage. And we also had a very good view of the mall behind. Alright, ayan guys. So makikita mo may mga ano dyan, mall sa malayo, okay? So ito naman yung bed natin guys. It's a king bed. And yeah, my luggage, we have the lights, the phone. And yung bathroom and CR natin is here. So dyan yung toilet bowl. We have the very nice and squeaky clean sink. We had two clean glasses and hand wash. We had a vanity mirror. Of course, we had the general mirror here. We had the shower, towels, and shampoo and everything. Okay? So, ayan. Hopefully magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano mag-join yung crew. Normally, mag-stay po yan ng isang araw bago mag-join. So, it allows the crew to rest bago sabak sa trabaho. Okay, so again, normally also for senior officers, solo yung room. Pero yung mga ratings, often sharing po yung room nila. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea and I hope to see you next time. Alright!